Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong new moon in Gemini na mangyayari sa June 6, 2024, 8:37 p.m. Philippine time. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. So alam naman natin ang new moon is about new beginnings. So new opportunities, new experiences. Yan, mga potentials for you. So, mas maganda makakapag-resonate dito yung mga Capricorn rising. But if you are Capricorn Sun or Capricorn Moon, that's also fine. Pwede ka rin makaresonate. So, for you Capricorn, ang new moon ay mangyayari sa inyong 6th house of your work, day-to-day life, your routine, your health, no? Yung iyong kalusugan. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong bagong mantra sa inyong routine ngayon. Pwedeng meron kayong idadagdag na bagong routine. Like for example, gusto mo ngayon na mag-focus sa iyong kalusugan. So, every morning, meron kang mga exercises or any time of the day, magsaset ka para may i-follow ka na routine. Kasi 6th house is about your health. So, maaring meron kang bagong goal para sa iyong kalusugan ngayon, especially kung you feel like you really need, kailangan mo na talaga na, to get back into shape, to be fit, to be healthier. So, clean living, mas magandang lifestyle, healthy lifestyle for you. You will also be organizing things. Yung mga bagay na hindi mo pinapansin, isinasantabi mo ng mga aayusin or i-declutter, gagawin mo na ngayon. Yung iba, pwedeng meron din kayong pagdi-declutter sa inyong office, sa inyong workplace. Some of you may also be learning a new skill, no? Bagong kaalaman, bagong abilities na interesado kayo. Yung iba naman, pwedeng magsisimula kayo ng bagong hobby, libangan, ayan. So, maaring gusto nyo maglibang, like, let's say for example, gusto nyo matutong maggitara. So, isasama nyo yan sa inyong activities, regular activities na gagawin ninyo, or isa sa libangan nyo is target shooting. Yung mga ganun, anything that will make you feel busy and structured. Kasi for you, you want your life to be structured. Meron kang pina-follow na routine. And when it comes to discipline, talagang kayang-kaya mong iset yung sarili mo for a certain goal kung talagang yun talaga yung gusto mong makakita ka ng result. Kung gusto mo talaga makakita ng result. Dahil you are very much determined on your goals. Okay? So, meron tayong concentration ng mga planets sa sign ng Gemini, which is in your 6th house. I feel like you will be more, connecting more with a lot of people, lalo na kung people person ka or someone na nagtatrabaho sa isang company wherein meron kang mga nakakasalamuha na tao everyday. Okay? So, meron tayong stellium ng mga planets sa sign ng Gemini. So, ang daming planets, concentration ng mga planets and luminaries dito sa Gemini. So, it means na maraming ganap mo, no? Maraming mga nangyayari. So, you have Mercury in your 6th house, which is about communication, thoughts, information, learning. So, I think isa sa mga interest mo ngayon is yung may mapag-aralan ka or matutunan kang bagong skill sa buhay. So, example, gusto mong matutong mag-bake ng cake. So, aaralin mo yan kahit na self-study pa yan. Okay? Self-taught ka. Or yung pwede rin namang mag-enroll ka sa isang short course, ganyan. So, anything that will enhance your skills, yan, yung skill set mo. And Jupiter in Gemini na nasa 6th house is also bringing you more opportunities to work harder, yun nga lang, medyo magiging very busy ka, no, sa daily routine mo. I think ang kailangan mo lang ditong ingatan is yung mismanagement, no? Na sabi nga do not, ano ba yon? Kumbaga, do not eat more than what you can chew, parang ganon, na wag kang kukuha ng mga responsibilities na hindi mo naman kayang panindigan, okay? Kasi pwedeng ma-overwhelm ka at wala kang matatapos, no? So, you can be very busy, but at the same time, organized, okay? Para you won't miss anything, okay? This is also the planet of expansion. So, talagang pwedeng maraming kumbaga yung iyong schedule ngayon is full packed, gano'n. Yung iba sa inyo, travel opportunities din yan dahil sa trabaho ninyo. So, you will be traveling a lot, especially if you are into sales and marketing. So, you get to go to different places. And then, meron din tayong Kazimi, no? So, pare-pareho sila ng degree ng Moon, ng Sun, at ng Venus. So, Venus is the planet of beauty, planet of romance. So, pwede meron kang ma-attract na romantic connection sa trabaho, no? Kung ikaw ay diyan na halos nakatira sa trabaho mo. Pwedeng merong new inspiration, ganyan. Maaaring meron ka ring bagong goals na gusto mong ma-achieve sa career mo, sa trabaho mo. I also see you na becoming more attractive, no? So, pwedeng very charming ka ngayon na you are taking care of yourself. Kasi Venus is also the planet of, self-love, self-care. So, talagang gusto mong alagaan ang iyong sarili ngayon. Maaring may mga ifa-follow ka na mga routines, beauty routines, skincare routines that will enhance your physical appearance. Okay? Let's see what else. You have, diba? 10 of Wands. Ang dami mo talagang gagawin. Kaya nga, kung ano lang yung kaya mo, yun lang yung i-commit mo para hindi ka ma-overwhelmed. You have the 10 of Cups. So, this is fortune after difficulty. Kung may mga challenges ka in the past, you are over it, no? Kumbaga, napagtagumpayan mo yan. Congratulations. Yes, oh my God. So, merong 10 of Cups and 10 of Pentacles sa reading ninyo. This is stability in your finances, happiness, no? Masayang-masaya mga Capricorn kapag ang lahat ng bills nyo bayad. Meron pa kayong extra for leisure, for shopping, ganyan. You have the King of Cups. So, some of you are connecting with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, na very caring rin sa inyo. Kumbaga, ito yung person na kumbaga nakaalalay sa'yo na uminom ka na ba ng vitamins, nag-exercise ka na ba? Kumbaga, siya, full support. You have the 9 of Swords. I think, yung mga bagay na maaring magpa-stress sa'yo ngayon is yung load or yung mga responsibilities mo. So, kaya nga, iwasan na masyadong marami kang iti-take na responsibility because you might get stressed, no? Anything lang na kaya mo na kontrolin, ayan. Kasi when it gets out of control, na agad kayo na nagpo-frustrate. Okay? So, manage your time. Nothing will come of this situation, yes. So, if there are things na parang hindi mo kontrolado, so just let it go, surrender. Kasi, masa-stress ka lang sa kakaisip. Okay? Kung sabi nga whatever will be, will be. Okay? Speak your world into being. Yes, you will also be more expressive of your feelings, of your thoughts. Mas magiging very much connected ka rin sa iyong higher self. Your hard work is paying off, Capricorn. So, ano man yung mga e-effortan ninyo. Dahil marami talagang trabaho moving forward, especially for the whole month of June for you. This is going to be worth it. makukuha mo yung resulta na gusto mo. Yes, because there's expansion in your work, in your day-to-day life, and also lalo na kung magfo-focus ka rin sa pag-aalaga ng iyong kalusugan, yan. Healthy living, clean living, so your hard work is going to pay off. You will see the results na gusto mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye.